Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you the inspiring story of a man who started life as a poor little boy in a small town and grew up to become the President of India. He was a scientist, a teacher, a dreamer, and one of the most loved leaders of our country. His name was APJ Abdul Kalam. People lovingly call him the Missile Man of India and the People's President. Let's learn about his amazing journey. Dr. Kalam was born in the town of Rameshwaram in a simple family. His parents were not rich. Imagine waking up early every morning, delivering newspapers, and then going to school. Even though life was difficult, Kalam never stopped learning. He loved reading books and was fascinated by science and flying machines. As a child, Kalam would often look at the birds flying in the sky. He wondered, how do they fly? This curiosity inspired him to study science and engineering. He worked hard in school and later became an aerospace engineer. He believed that no dream is too big if you are willing to work for it. One of his famous messages was, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Dr. Kalam joined in India's space and defense programs. He worked with scientists to build rockets and missiles for the country. Many of India's important space and defense projects succeeded because of his leadership and dedication. This is why he became known as the Missile Man of India. But what made him special was not just his intelligence, it was his humility. Even after achieving great success, he remained kind, simple, and approachable. In 2002, Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India. Usually, children feel nervous meeting important leaders, but Kalam loved spending time with students. Whenever he went, he encouraged children to ask questions, think creatively, and dream big. He believed that the future of India depended on young minds. Whenever he spoke to students, he would say, "You have to dream before your dreams come true." Even after serving as the President of India, Dr. Kalam continued teaching. He visited schools and colleges across the country. He wanted every child to believe in themselves and making to contribute the India a better nation. He often said that knowledge, hard work, and honesty are the keys to success. What can we learn from Dr. Kalam? Dream big. No matter where you come from, you can achieve great things. Love learning. Education is the most powerful tool for success. Work hard. Success comes through dedication and perseverance. Stay humble. No matter how successful you become, always be kind and respectful. Dear friends, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's life teaches us that greatness does not depend on wealth or background. It depends on dreams, hard work, and a desire to serve others. A newspaper selling boy from a small town became the world's famous scientist and the President of India. If he could achieve his dreams, so can you. So keep learning, keep asking questions, and never stop dreaming. Thank you for listening. Until next time, remember Kalam's message: dream big, work hard, and make your dreams come true. Have a good day.